Nah, I just yawned.
Somebody said, "What's the purpose of yawning?" Because you know they say yawns is contagious. Because what are you actually doing when you yawn?
I wonder is that like the ideology of you tired?
Yeah, you usually yawn when you get tired, but like it's times when you yawn too, like when you're not actually. Hold on, let me look it up.
Brain cooling? So it don't mean you tired. I literally thought every time people yawn that it was like the ideology of you're tired. Like, you know, are you sleepy? Because every time I ask,
Now,
like,
they say right here, yawning is often associated with tiredness or boredom, but some theories suggest it's an actual reflex that helps to increase alertness or wakefulness. Because I can make myself yawn. You know, I do that shit. Not like the fake. But I'm saying like I can like make myself. It's not working right now.
nah, I just yawned.
Did you?
I yawned.
Do it.